Hey guys, it's Taking49 here, and this is what my swing sounds like after the storm. So I'm just gonna start swinging, and it squeaks like crazy. It's already squeaking. Swing till I get higher. How do you get this more squeakier it gets? Squeaking like crazy! That's enough for today's video. I'm still swinging. Whoa. And after the storm, there's a couple of our trees that broke. Not entirely, but a couple of the big branches broke. Swing, stop, please. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you get notified whenever I make a new video. Now, bye!